Get ready to have your creative senses awakened like never before. Nvidia, the trailblazer of technological innovation, has just unleashed Picasso, the ultimate fusion of art and AI. Brace yourself for a mind-bending revelation that will forever redefine the way we create and experience digital content. Picasso's ability to transform simple text descriptions into stunning images, breathtaking videos, and intricate 3D models will leave you in awe of its boundless possibilities. Join the revolution as Nvidia takes center stage at their highly anticipated 2023 event, propelling us into a new era of AI-driven creativity. Prepare to witness the birth of a digital masterpiece that will forever change the way we see art. Imagine a world where art meets technology in perfect harmony. Nvidia's Picasso is the embodiment of creative brilliance, poised to revolutionize the way artists and designers work. Its lightning-fast rendering speeds and unrivaled ability to handle complex visual tasks with ease make it a true masterpiece of innovation. But wait, there's more. Nvidia has partnered with some of the biggest names in the industry to address the legal challenges related to AI-generated images. Adobe, the renowned software company, has integrated artificial intelligence into its flagship products like Photoshop and Illustrator, ensuring that creators whose work is used by these tools can get paid for their contributions. But what exactly is Picasso? It's a groundbreaking service that uses artificial intelligence to create images, videos, and 3D applications from simple text descriptions. Nvidia has even collaborated with Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Adobe to train its technology, using licensed content and ensuring compliance with copyright laws. Nvidia has been a leader in accelerated computing since its founding, and Picasso is a testament to their continued dominance. With their GPU technology, they ignited the modern AI era, revolutionized computer graphics, and drove the development of the metaverse. Now, they're taking it even further by becoming a full-stack computing company that is changing the industry. And here's the big news. Picasso will be the keynote speaker at Nvidia's highly anticipated 2023 event, causing a stir in the creative sector. This cloud service for generative AI-powered image and 3D applications is set to reshape the way we create digital content. Get ready to witness a new wave of AI-driven creativity. But what about the legal concerns surrounding AI-generated content? Nvidia has taken steps to address this issue by partnering with market leaders like Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Adobe. They're providing datasets that are compliant with the law, ensuring responsible AI development and respecting copyright holders' rights. Picasso's foundations are built on 3 pillars: text-to-image, text-to-video, and text-to-3D. With the power of Nvidia's AI models, creators can generate photorealistic images, produce high-fidelity videos, and even create intricate 3D models with just a few lines of text. The possibilities are limitless. As Picasso integrates into various applications and services, traditional creative processes will be disrupted. Nvidia's impact on the future of content creation is undeniable. With the democratization of sophisticated creative tools, we can expect a new era of innovation in the digital landscape. Nvidia's Picasso is a game-changer that reimagines the creative sector. Prepare for a rise in AI-driven content that exceeds the limits of human imagination. Say goodbye to sluggish render times and clunky design software, and say hello to a new era of artistic excellence, all thanks to Nvidia's groundbreaking creation. The art world is on the cusp of a transformative revolution, where AI and human creativity converge. Picasso is leading the charge, allowing artists to explore new frontiers and push the boundaries of their craft. With its ability to translate text into stunning visuals, videos, and 3D models, Picasso unleashes a new level of imagination and efficiency. Imagine a scenario where an artist simply describes a scene in vivid detail, and Picasso brings it to life with unparalleled realism. A few words are all it takes to generate intricate digital paintings, lifelike animations, or even immersive virtual environments. This fusion of human creativity and AI-powered generation opens up infinite possibilities for artists, designers, and storytellers. Picasso's integration with industry-leading software like Photoshop and Illustrator amplifies its impact, seamlessly blending AI capabilities with familiar creative workflows. Artists can harness the power of Picasso's generative AI to enhance their work, streamline their processes, and explore uncharted creative territories. But Picasso is not just a tool for individual creators. It has the potential to revolutionize entire industries. Advertising agencies can use Picasso to quickly generate compelling visuals for their campaigns, reducing production time and costs. Game developers can leverage Picasso's text-to-3D capabilities to populate their virtual worlds with rich and diverse content. Architects and interior designers can visualize their concepts with unparalleled speed and realism. The possibilities are truly awe-inspiring. Nvidia's dedication to ethical AI practices is evident in their partnerships with Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Adobe. By using licensed content and ensuring compliance with copyright laws, Picasso maintains a responsible approach to AI-generated images and videos. Creators can rest assured that their work is respected and protected in this rapidly evolving landscape. Picasso's unveiling as the keynote speaker at Nvidia's 2023 event is a testament to its groundbreaking nature. The creative sector is abuzz with anticipation, eager to witness the future of content creation. With Picasso at the forefront, we can expect a paradigm shift in how art is made, consumed, and appreciated. As AI continues to evolve and push the boundaries of human creativity, Picasso stands as a symbol of the remarkable possibilities that lie ahead. This collaboration between art and technology brings us closer to a world where imagination knows no bounds, and where every idea can find expression in stunning visuals, captivating videos, and immersive 3D experiences.